What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coop, and today we are going to be doing a tuner crate unboxing for the month of July. Now, I'm going to be doing these for right now once a year, but as things start picking up, I'll be doing them every month. So, first things first, we've got a t-shirt. You pretty much get a t-shirt in every single box. I think there was like one where I got 2 t-shirts. But that one, there's that sticker, same thing. It's the same logo or same design that's on the t-shirt. It was kind of hard to do with one hand. But yeah, you kind of get the gist. I mean, and then you got, now this is for the month of July. So obviously, July 4th, you got to show your American pride. We got our little flag right there. We got a classic Corvette. Got some stickers. We're going to have to sticker bomb the toolbox. And there's that design that's on the shirt. And then you got bro code. Help a brother out. And then we got the Truino AE86. That's pretty neat. And then you've got that. I like that. That's pretty cool with the V-dub. And you got the little Domo Nation sticker. Of course, can't go without that. And then you got some Hot Wheels, which I don't think they're actually, I don't know if they're Hot Wheels or if they're something else. I think they are Hot Wheels. I'm not sure. But nonetheless, pretty neat, I probably won't take them out of the box, to be honest. They'll probably just stay in there, but we'll see. We'll see what I'm feeling. But you got a few cool things in there. I'm not sure what that orange thing is with like right there in the middle. Not sure what that is, but I don't know. Maybe I'll take them out and see what they are. Got an American flag pen that you can get at the dollar store. Some of this stuff, I kind of wonder what they're thinking when they throw it in there. You got a little American top hat, for good old Uncle Sam. Got an American flag pin. That's kind of neat. Like that. Probably like pin that to like a suit jacket or something. And then these, I used to live for these in high school. These things were like, I'd have like at least 5 to 10 of them on my wrist at a time. Like, the emo scene, you gotta show some respect and love to that. This is interesting. I'm gonna attempt to open that afterwards. I had to take a butter knife to just crack it open. Like, it was very interesting. So you'll see what it is in a minute. I'm gonna struggle here for a little bit, so bear with me. Yeah, it was tough to open. So, moving on, you've got an American flag Little Trees air freshener. Can't wait to throw that in the Civic. And then this is absolute gold right there. So, and that is a very large sticker, so I'll put that somewhere on the toolbox, maybe. I don't know. Not quite sure yet. Just gonna pack everything up and just kind of put some stuff away, move it out of the way, and try to work on that egg. Not quite sure how to open it. I'm gonna struggle a bit in trying to open it, and in just a sec I'm going to cut away to me taking said egg and prying it open with a butter knife. Alright, so we got it cracked open. We got it. And inside, it's 3D printed, which is interesting. It's all 3D printed. And it's a little car carrier truck that is 3D printed, along with a bunch of little cars that are 3D printed. And you have to and I didn't notice this until after the fact, the cars are molded a certain way to fit in the egg a certain way. So you have to put them on the car carrier a specific way so they fit in the egg. There's like a little cutout for like that I think it's a green like drop top kind of thing, a little convertible. And, you got little 3D printed cars. I mean, it's pretty neat. Like, I thought it was, different, interesting. The The other 3D printed thing they sent me was a 3D printed engine block for, it was either a V6 or a V8. I think it was a V6. So you get cool little things like that they 3D print. Definitely interesting. So there you have it. There's your July Tuna Crate box. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. All right, I will see you all next time, and take it easy, stay tuned, and catch you guys later.